The sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but now I see. Then 'twas grace that taught my heart to feel, and grace my fears relieved. Then how precious dear that grace appeared the hour I first believed. Oh God, when we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun. For we know no last days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Come on, somebody help me say praise God, God, praise God, praise God, praise